Hi, it's Chris, and welcome to step 3, picking your offers. So what I want you guys to do is you're going to be picking 5 offers. Now it can be 3 offers from here and 2 offers from the other site. But these need to be CPL offers, cost per lead. Stay away from CPA. I'm going to just bring up Notepad here. So stay away from CPA, kind of rhymes there. Stay away from CPA. We want CPL offers, cost per lead. Don't get involved with anything else because you want to be getting the cost per lead. So you're going to stay away from the CPA offers, which is cost per action. This is what you want, CPL. I'm going to emphasize that. So don't be grabbing any other offers yet. Okay, here's another thing that I want to point out. If you have a main product such as DSD or such as DSD, DS Domination, Empower Network, whatever it is. Although I'm just telling you right now, DSD, Empower Network, they do not convert to sales very well. But if you have a main product that's converting really well, please use that. Now, if you use DSD or Empower Network or something like that, you're not going to get very good results because so many people have already promoted that. So, but if you do have a main product, you're going to be able to set that up. Okay, I'm in Aweber now. Now, if you're using GetResponse, I'm going to get you the custom code. You just need to email me. My email is support@marketbackboard.com. I'm going to go ahead and put everything in here, actually. Support@marketbackboard.com. I have the GetResponse follow-up and coding and everything like that. I coded this in Aweber because I know that's the most common, but I do have it for GetResponse too. I'm working on that. Right now, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new list. I'm going to show you how to do that in Aweber, right? I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. So basically, you're going to create and manage lists just like that. Create a list. Now, you probably don't have as many as me right now because I've created so many lists. I need to consolidate my lists. But what you need to do is put in your company name or your name if you don't have a company name. So I'll just put in here Market Backboard. Your company website should just be, it doesn't really matter what goes here. I'll just put google.com. And make sure it's your address. Now, your sender name is very important. You want to use your name. And this is very important. You can't use AOL or Yahoo here. You can use Gmail or your own domain, such as on WordPress or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the one that I have, which is support@marketbackboard.com. I really recommend that you get your own domain. It's only $12. I'm going to show you how to set that up as well. But you do not really need it. There's a way around it. You can still do this program without having hosting or your domain, although it's highly, highly recommended. Okay, so just to show you, filled it out. Make sure your sender name is your name. Your email is the email address that it comes from, one that you can reply to. So this should be something that you check regularly. No AOL or no Yahoo. In fact, let me just show you if I were to use support@yahoo.com. Sorry, you cannot use Yahoo, so it has to be something else. Next step, it's going to save your settings, your list name. Now you can name this list anything you want. I'm just going to name it CPL test, and then you need to put a description in your list, CPL campaign, like that. Next step. Okay, now we're going to be turning this off. Excuse me. But I leave everything default. Just click approve message and create list. So once you get on this page, just scroll to the bottom, approve message and create list. Your list is now created. I'm in CPL test, as you see right here. And now that I'm in CPL test, what I want to do is I want to go over to list options, which you can just click right here and go to list settings, or just hover over. Don't click on it. Just hover over, go to list settings, which takes you to this page. You need to go to confirmed opt-in and turn that off. You need to turn confirmed opt-in off. This is a very important step. You want confirmed opt-in off because you don't want people to have to confirm that they subscribe to your list. It's more steps. It's going to decrease your results. So this is a very important step. Missing this is going to really kill your results. So make sure that's off and make sure you click save. And I always like to double check, go to step 2, then come back and make sure it saved it. Looks great. Okay, now I have a follow-up code that I'm going to put below this video. This is very important. I want you to grab this follow-up code, and it's going to be preloaded with messages for you. You don't have to write anything. You're more than welcome to write your messages, and I can teach you how to write your own messages. But let me grab the follow-up code. This is below the video for you guys, so you can just copy and paste it. There's going to be more than 6, trust me. But you're going to grab this follow-up code, and you're going to go, where's my new one that I just made? See, I have so many lists, it's crazy. Anyways, you're going to grab that follow-up code and you're going to load it. I'm going to show you how to do that because I named it CPL. There it is, CPL test. Okay, and then what you need to do to insert that follow-up code, I'm going to go back to the homepage of Aweber just to show you. I'm on the list that we created. You're going to go to List Options, List Settings. I'm just reviewing. We turned Confirmed Opt-in in. Now to add the follow-up code, go to Messages, just hover over it and click Follow-up Series. And what it asks for right here is looking for campaign sharing, and that's what you want to click. You want to click where it says looking for campaign sharing, and you're going to paste that code that's below this video and load campaign. It's going to load all the messages. Okay, I'm going to have 20 done by the time you load this, about 20 messages created. But you're going to load that campaign, and these are high converting pages. So I'm gonna, or high converting email follow-up, excuse me. Now give it a second, don't refresh your page, it is loading. It takes anywhere between a minute up to 2 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer, but as long as you see the little loading bar at the top, that's great. Don't refresh or do anything. You're just waiting and waiting and waiting for those follow-up to load. Okay. And then, like I said, it can take anywhere from a minute or two. It's going though. You can see this is a little bit time-consuming process here. There it goes. Okay, so you have all your messages loaded. They're already written for you. Now you're more than welcome to go through and edit them, change them up, and everything like that. So you got your messages loaded. Now if you're using GetResponse, I will show you right now for those using GetResponse. I'm going to log in. If you're not using GetResponse, then this won't really apply to you. But I know some people. I know GetResponse is also very popular here as well. For GetResponse, you're going to create a new campaign. So how you do that is after you log in, you scroll down, you create campaign. You name your campaign, so like CPL or CPA leads, or I'll do it CPL. New Chris, and I'll create my campaign. And really simple, you're going to create your autoresponder just like there, and I will get you the messages for GetResponse. So you'll just have to email me and I can get those over, because GetResponse is a little bit different as far as loading everything. And basically you'd create your autoresponder series the same way with the code and everything. So if you're using GetResponse, let me know. But you'll create a new campaign just like that. Oh, and to turn off confirmed opt-in on GetResponse, I'm going to go to the GetResponse homepage or dashboard here, and I'm in CPL New Chris. I'm going to go to Settings, the Settings icon right here, and you basically go to Permission and you just uncheck those boxes, and that turns off the confirmed opt-in and GetResponse. Okay, so if you're using GetResponse, I'll get you those messages. Just just email me if you're using that. If not, you're using Aweber, then load those messages. I'll put the code below this video. Okay, I'm going to stop it here with this video. I like to break it down, so after you get that step done, you'll be good to go. Then the next step is we're going to be picking 5 offers plus your main product link, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully this makes sense. Now I want to emphasize, if there's something that doesn't make sense, that's why you have the one-on-one support. That's where you can text me or call me or email me, and we can set up a time through Google Hangouts to set up your Aweber or GetResponse account. Hopefully this all made sense to you. I'll see you in the next video for setting up your campaigns, because we're getting closer and closer.